Traveling Tall is brought to you by Custom Dynamics, Zippers Performance, Chromeworks, Red Line Oil, Volunteer Audio, and Let's Roll.
We about to ride, you about to ride.
It's that time of year again. Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. We are ready. And I can't wait to have you guys down to Knoxville, Tennessee. We are going to ride. We are going to ride. The host hotel will be the Hilton Garden Inn in Knoxville, Tennessee, 6200 Paper Mill Drive. Click the link below in the description to get a discounted rate. The banquet is on Saturday night, and tickets will be on sale to the banquet. Of course, we're going to have t-shirts provided and a giveaway for those who attend the banquet. We only have 130 tickets that we can sell. Last year, they sold out quickly. This year, I'm expecting it to do the same. I'll be giving you some more details on the rides that'll be coming up, so you make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications to be notified so you can receive up-to-the-minute information about the rides that we're going to be riding at Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. Guys, I hope to see you there. Don't forget, mark your calendar for June 9th, 10th, and 11th for Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. Last year we had a blast. This year's going to be even better. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.
Here at Knoxville drag trip, guess what I have with me today? Check this out. Memphis. The 2005 Road King. Right behind the Hayabusa and some little, I don't know what you call those things, but we're going to get out here and have a good time today. Carl got his Street Glide out here. I may or may not have the Street Glide with me too. Y'all going to have to see that in just a minute. But for now, we're going to run this bike down the track and see what it does. He got the his 124 out. I am outmanned on my 95, Hot 95 kit, Zippers Performance bike. We're going to see. It don't matter. I ain't scared to run. Anything in the 8s, I'll be happy with it.
Oh, in the 8s?
Yeah.
Hey, oh, you'll have that.
We'll see. I don't know. What side you want? You can take the left. I'll take the left. I ain't doing no burnout.
Oh, I don't need it.
He got me. That was a good run though. For a 95 versus a 124, I hung in there a little bit. I say he put about 3 bikes on me. I don't know, he might have put a school bus on me. But it was fun. I need a gauge to see when this thing shifts. 76 miles per hour, 921. You got me about by a school bus.
No, I did.
How far was it? Yeah, it was pretty bad, bro. What you got?
I was right lane. I had oh man, my reaction time killed me. I had an 8.6. You got a 9.1. Yeah. No, 9.2.
No. You keep making it worse, man. you going in the wrong direction. I got Tez beside me now. We're going to see what his bike can do, twin cam versus twin cam. This Tez got 103 cubic inch Screaming Eagle full exhaust. I got a 95 Zippers Performance. Chromeworks exhaust. He has Chromeworks exhaust. This bike is almost 20 years old, so we're going to see what it does. My main thing is I have to stop listening to other people's motorcycle. I got to listen to my motorcycle. That's the problem. Good run, man. Good run.
I took Memphis back to the trailer, got Zulu out. It's time to see what it does. Earl whooped me last time. He whooped me on my little 95 cubic inch, so we had to go get some more cubic inches. This guy's out. What's your name, man?
My name's Rob.
He's out here on the African Twin, and this thing is killing it. How fast are you going?
My fastest is a 7.7.
7.7.
Yeah.
How many miles per hour?
90.
90. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool bike, man. Cool bike.
What?
So what's your fastest time tonight?
7.3.
7.3. Let me show us your bike.
That's slow.
Look at that. 636. He has it built, got some work done to it. Nice looking bike, man. Real
Still
nice
slow.
bike. Yeah. All right, then we got, what do we got? A R3 behind us here. How you doing? And then you said a 1000, right?
GS 1100.
GS 1100. And he had a really fast time.
These ain't even gonna start, it's gonna crank.
5.5, right? All right, well, now, what you got? FZ8, right?
Yep.
What's the fastest time you did tonight?
7.96.
On the blue bike, I wasn't able to run anything faster than a 9. But I think if I get it back out one more time, I think I can get down to 8. My thing was the first time I was listening to the bike shift beside me, and now, you know what I mean? I gotta shift when it's time for me to shift. I'm just so disappointed with my last run. I let off, I actually lifted at the end, but at 8.1, I red lighted. I only ran 83 miles per hour, but I did say I let off because the bike came up in 3rd gear. I wasn't expecting that. I'm ready to try it again and really go at it this time.
All right, guys, this is going to be the one. I'm going to launch this thing right here. I'm going to carry it all the way up there. I am not shifting early this time, I'm telling you. All right, guys, I don't know what I did that time. I don't believe I did good. I felt like I was shifting too soon, so we'll see.
My reaction time was better. I got down to, what did I get down to? 0.106 is what I got down to. Definitely way better than I've ever done before. What was your time?
8.2.
What was your reaction time? Not good?
0.2.
0.2 is good.
Well, 0.27.
What was yours?
0.01.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Now, what did you run?
765 at 90.
You know how close you was to red light at 0.01?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He got it dialed in, don't he?
Yeah.
65 foot 182.
All right, so let me see.
182.
Man, mine was 1.9. Is that good?
My 60 foot was 1.892.
182.8.
My okay.
Oh, so that's where our torque is getting us, because we getting that 60 foot because our torque.
What's the T2? What's that mean? What you got?
That lane.
What is T2?
698.
Woo! Hey, he got below 7. Good run, man. Really good run. Yeah. Hey,
Reaction time was
what was your reaction time?
166.
What?
166.
I was proud of mine until he just said that. He said his reaction time was 166 and he complaining. Mine was 1.892.
Yeah, but my man right here said his was 0.01.
No, mine was 0.106.
Yeah, 0.106.
That ain't bad, is it?
No.
Definitely better than 5 point.
0.5.
Yeah.
Well, that first time we came.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How fast y'all running?
He ran a 10-1 on the last pull.
Oh, go.
Yeah. Yeah.
How fast was like miles per hour?
He done a 59.
I think it was like 59, 55, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's something. Oh, go.
Yeah.
Good job.
We got one in the track, or we got one in our group. He's not here today, but he ran a 9-1 at 65.
That's
He's
great.
on methanol. We got a couple methanol bikes.
That's
I'm
great.
just on pump gas. He's on racing gas. Yeah, we got some bikes on methanol that are turning 9,000 plus RPM.
All right, guys, we're gonna try to leave a lot higher this time. We're gonna stay on it a lot sooner.
Man, I knew I was slower this time. I messed up. I was at an 8.3. Well, not too bad, but I was at 8.3. My racing time 2.9. Yours was 0.01.
0.01. Hey, how fast did I run?
7.8.
7.8. Okay, so that was definitely faster.
It was faster than mine. I got slower.
Hey, all right, so it was faster. He ain't happy. I'm happier, but I know it got more in the tank. It got more in the tank. So we'll see. All right.